In this video we are going to code this filter method from scratch, and we know that this filter method returns a new array of with that element that pass the condition of that callback function. So let me go to VS Code, and I have already created this map method from scratch. You can check out the previous video. So let me create my filter dot js, and let me first show you all the array method from its prototype. So we are accessing, get on property names, we are accessing this all method map, filter, reduce, and all kind of method from array prototype node my filter. As you can see, there are so many methods for array length, construct, copy with fill, find index, reverse, short, and here map and filter. Where is filter? This is filter. So we have to build this filter, and first let me add my method inside this prototype. So we can do array dot prototype dot, I can do my filter, then yes, this is like key name that we are create in any object. So let me create one function, my filter, then we can pass this function inside this prototype, and if I log again, there will be my filter. You can see here there will be in last my filter function on the screen. So we have to code this my filter same as uh, this filter. So we can do like, let me first use filter, let me add one array that will be array numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 5, let me 5, then let me use array of numbers dot filter method. So what it does is it's take an callback function. So this is callback function, and here inside callback function in argument it will receive every element here on each iteration, like 1 2 3, and here we put any condition like for this every element num greater than or equal to 3. So if any condition is true, then for that element like 1, for 1, if this condition is true, then that element push to that new array. If condition is false, then that element will not push that new array. So it will push only that element that passed the condition of this callback function. So this is the basic idea of filter method. So here we are passing callback function that, so let me use my filter here, my filter, and we are receiving this in parameter that will be callback function. Then we have to use for loop for each iteration, and we can pass this every element inside this callback function. So let me use let I is equal to 0, I less than. So we have to use this keyword here. So if you don't know this, then you can check out this video in my channel. So you have to uh, what will be this value for this function. So you have to first check that uh, inside this function is normal function or arrow function. If this is arrow function, then it will context to this value to a global object if we use arrow function here. uh, if we use arrow function inside normal function, then this uh, arrow function will get this value from its lexical scope from normal function. So if normal function pointing something for this value, then arrow function is also get that from its lexical scope. So right now we are using normal function, so we have to just see that who is calling this my filter function. So here this array is calling this my filter function. So here this value will be this array. So I say that in this video, in this keyword video. So this is really confusing. So I say that in this keyword video that this value this keyword in JavaScript refers to an object that is calling a function. So right now this is not an object, this is an array, but behind the scene in JavaScript this array is also a object. Let me give you one example so you have more confidence, like this array is an object. So let me create array fake array. So I can create 0. So this will be like a key. So here inside this array there will be index 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So we are creating something like that. So this will be key of every index 0, then this will be 1, and the value of this one index will be 2. So I am creating this array as an object. So 3, this is second index value will be 3. Third index value will be 4. Four index will be 5. So this is confusing because we are using number and indexes. So I can also do like 0 index have like my name, Ankit, and 1 index have my city. Sorry. So you can fake array string. So here you can see easily that how this object is array with index 0 that have value this my name, and one index have value that will be my city. So this is same as above this, but we have to pass also length. So this is how behind the scene length will be 5. And if we use filter method for this object, it will not work as an array. It will give array that. So let me remove this above code here, and let me remove also this. So it's giving an array, fake array, then filter is not function, so we can't use array methods on this object. So we can add prototype here, underscore proto, that will be, we can pass that array prototype here. So we can use array methods on object. So we can use array methods uh, on this object. So now let's see this will map will work on this object or not. So we can do, so right now it's not giving error, so right, it's working. Let me log this. So it will give greater than 3 numbers from this object, that will be 3, 4 and 5 will be output for this, as you can see. So we are performing array methods on this object. So now you have confidence that this value is that we are calling on the left side, who is calling this array number is calling this my filter. So this is array, but behind the scene this is an object and function also object in JavaScript. So we can also access a function here as a this value. So here this value will be this array. So what is this definition is, this value in JavaScript refers to an object that is calling that function. So here this value will be this array numbers. So we can access here that this will be this array, so we can access dot length also here. And then we can do I plus plus. Let me remove this original method. Let me remove this fake array and also this fake array. Now let's back to this my filter. So what we can do is if this callback function result this will be true, this condition is true for what element, every element of array, this will be this of I. So this is this array, and we are getting every element on every iteration. Now what we can do is, if this is true, then we have to return a new array. So let me create new array, then we can push if this is true, new array dot push bar. What we can push, we can push that element of an array. inside this new array. Then we can return. We are not handling else part because we don't want uh, that element inside array, so we can return that new array. So this will behave same as that filter method. So 3 4 5 same will be for this output. My filter, I have to log this returned new returned array. What will be the error here? Array numbers, my filter is not a function. Why? Yes, I have to add in prototype. So as you can see, it's working same as we use that prototype method. That will be this filter. So if I log both, first will be my filter and second will be, let me use that array here, this will be original filter. So we log my filter same value and filter have same array value, so both are working fine. So thank you. If you have any doubt about this, so you, if you don't understand this value, then it will be confusing for you. If you understand this value, then it will be really easy, and uh, you can check out my this this keyword value this keyword video on my channel, so you have better understanding of this value, how we can get this value. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down. So thank you.